In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your JBL earbuds to your iPad. So let's get started. Now our step one is to put the JBL earbuds into pairing mode. So how do you do this? So well, it's quite simple. You take both earbuds out of the case and then they usually start blinking, for example, blue and white. Now, if not, then you put earbuds in your ears and then touch and hold one or both earbuds for 5 to 10 seconds until the light blinks. Now, when the lights are blinking on the earbuds, this means that they are currently in pairing mode. Then what you have to do is you have to go to your settings. From here, head over to Bluetooth and make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Now you have to wait under the other devices option here and wait for your JBL earbuds to show up. Then just go ahead and connect. Now sometimes it is that they just don't show up. Well, there could be many reasons to this. So first, try putting the earbuds back into the case, close the case for 10 seconds and then take them out again. Now this forces again repairing, so hopefully they show up this time. If they still not show up, then make sure that your earbuds are not connected to any other device. Because for example, let's say I'm trying to connect them to my iPad, but they're actually connected to my laptop. Then they're not gonna appear here. I have to first go to my laptop, make sure I remove the device or close the Bluetooth, and then only the JBL earbuds will pop up on my iPad. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.